Installing and setting up your brand new Adventure Kings Instant Ensuite couldn't be easier. Here's how. Once it's out of the box, open up the transit cover and you'll find the included L brackets, sandwich plates, nuts and bolts, and a spanner. Now we're going to decide on positioning. Once you're happy with the positioning of your Adventure Kings Ensuite, bolt the L brackets into place. If you're mounting your Adventure Kings Instant Ensuite to an aluminium platform rack, you won't need to use the sandwich plates or the longer bolts. Instead, use a set of T-bolts and bolt the L brackets directly to them. The Adventure Kings Instant Ensuite works best when the rear wall can fall directly down from the frame, so position the brackets to clear your vehicle or your trailer body panels wherever possible. Next, slot the shorter mounting bolts into the back of the alloy frame through this channel here, then we're going to offer up the awning to the L brackets. Once you're happy with where the bolts are going to mount to the L bracket, slide them through and then add the nuts on the back, give it a tighten and you're done. Setting it up is incredibly easy too. First, unzip the heavy duty transit bag. Undo the hook and loop straps and fold the horizontal support arms out. Lock the retaining arms into place to hold the horizontal support arms in a fully open position. And then all you've got to do is peg down the 4 bottom eyelets and adjust the tensioning straps to keep the walls nice and tight. And that's it. Your Adventure Kings Instant Ensuite is ready to use. The Adventure Kings Instant Ensuite will transform the way you go camping, adding much needed privacy to any campsite. And they're on sale now wherever you get your Adventure Kings gear.